Welcome to the hidden world of global financial power, where giants like ABC, Apple, and Koch Industries often hog the spotlight. But today, we're here to unveil a secret player in this elite league, BlackRock. It's a name that might not be on everyone's radar, yet it controls assets worth a jaw-dropping $10 trillion. Ladies and gentlemen, BlackRock Inc. is not your typical corporation. Based in the heart of New York City, it has quietly expanded its reach, operating in 70 offices across 30 countries and serving clients in a staggering 100 nations. But what's the story behind this meteoric rise? Picture this: 1988, a small team led by Larry Fink starts a firm. By the next year, their assets skyrocketed to $2.7 billion. In 1992, they adopted the name BlackRock while managing a whopping are mind-boggling. But BlackRock's influence transcends the mere buying and holding of stocks and bonds. It offers guidance to central banks, financial ministries, and major investors like state funds, pension funds, and insurance companies. With an extensive wealth of assets at its disposal, BlackRock invests in companies worldwide. There's scarcely a facet of the financial markets that doesn't bear BlackRock's imprint. From its headquarters in Midtown Manhattan, BlackRock wields its influence across the globe. In addition to substantial holdings in prominent US banks, it commands significant shares in corporations on nearly every continent, spanning industries from automobile manufacturing in Germany to iron ore mining in South America and gold mining in Africa. So, how does BlackRock manage to navigate this vast and ever-evolving financial landscape? The answer lies in an exceptionally potent software platform they developed to adapt to shifting market dynamics. Access to such vast wealth and information, BlackRock has positioned itself advantageously within the global economy. The company holds shares and voting rights in prominent European corporations across various sectors, including energy, oil and gas, transportation, and food, which are crucial for society's functioning. Beyond this, BlackRock possesses substantial influence, holding public debt in the form of bonds and managing the pension funds of a considerable number of individuals. Furthermore, it wields political clout, frequently advising entire governments. Central banks invite BlackRock to audit conventional banks and seek management advice, cementing its role as a dominant player in the financial infrastructure of entire nations. The intriguing irony here lies in the immense scale of BlackRock, which often positions itself as a significant shareholder in the very banks that central banks seek its guidance on auditing. This means that during these meetings, BlackRock finds itself in a unique wealth management company began after he experienced a staggering $100 million loss for his employer. Fink's career commenced on Wall Street at the age of 23, where he specialized in structuring and trading bonds, rapidly ascending the corporate ladder and earning a legendary reputation. In just a decade, he played a pivotal role in transforming the debt securitization market, revolutionizing how loans were handled on Wall Street. However, Fink's rise to prominence is riddled with unexpected twists. Not only did he contribute to the creation of a key tool that played a role in the economic meltdown, but he was also the person the US Treasury turned to for help in rectifying the crisis. He earned a reputation as an investment virtuoso, becoming the youngest managing director in history at First Boston by the age of 31, significantly boosting the company's assets. Yet, his fortunes reversed dramatically when he incurred a $100 million loss for his employer, leading to his abrupt departure from a company where he had generated substantial profits for 12 years. Nevertheless, he would later go on to co-found BlackRock and transform it into the financial giant it is today, despite encountering a few stumbling blocks along the way. One thing is undeniable: Larry Fink made an impressive comeback and now boasts a net worth exceeding $1 billion. Apart from managing trillions of dollars in assets and wielding considerable influence in the financial decisions of the US government, BlackRock's power extends even further. Surprisingly, they have significant stakes in some widely recognized companies and projects that may not be common knowledge. For instance, BlackRock holds substantial shares in Apple, allowing them access to Apple's dominant market share in smartphones and tablets. They also have investments in Microsoft, another tech giant, proving that with sufficient financial resources, you can exert influence without actually developing any technology. Furthermore, BlackRock has significant holdings in pharmaceutical giants like Pfizer and Johnson & Johnson, strategically directing their investments towards essential industries. However, it's worth noting that BlackRock also has considerable investments in major oil companies such as ExxonMobil and Chevron, an interesting contrast to their substantial investment initiatives. They've used their immense influence to advocate for environmental and diversity causes, often communicating with CEOs and supporting projects like the Carbon Disclosure Project. Notably, BlackRock has been advocating for the US government to implement regulations requiring. If you found this video informative and thought-provoking, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into intriguing topics like this one. Thank you and see you next time.